Hey guys, the Mechanic Man 92 here. So, got a little tool haul for you guys. I ordered a couple things over the past few weeks and got one of them in yesterday and the rest today. So, let's go with this. I got the Central Pneumatic 3-inch pneumatic polisher kit from Harbor Freight. I think this cost me like $30 plus I had a 20% off coupon. So it's a lot cheaper. It was like 20 something bucks, I forget what it was, but here it is. Shit. The actual gun right there, and the 3-inch disc right there. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So this is uses the hook and loop pads. Yep, just twist on like that. So there you go, and then you use this little wrench that comes with it, and you basically find the spot right in there, and then you just tighten it. Can't do it really right now because I only have one hand that I'm using, because the other hand's holding the tablet that I'm filming this with. Anyway, there you go right there. Also has 3 different pads, so got a nice little variety right there. Try this out sometime soon, and then after I use it for a little bit, I will do a separate video about it, basically a review on this. Anyway, see, has a setting right here, so you can have it anywhere from low setting to a high setting. Let's see, I don't think it has how fast it can go in the book. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We'll focus. There we go. So max speed is 2400 RPMs. So there we go. Well, again, I will do a separate video once I use this and show you how it works. I have seen a few videos on YouTube about it, and the people that have used it have no complaints, and they say it works pretty damn good, especially in tight areas. Next thing, I got these 2 Gearwrench flare nut wrench sets. They had a deal on Amazon, which they might always have this deal, but I'm not sure. It's basically buy one get one free. So here's the, let's see, where's the part number? There we go. For the metric, the part number is 81906, and for the standard, it's 81907. It was like $55 for the 2, so happy with that. Metric is sizes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 21 millimeter. And for the SAE, it is 1/4 inch, 3/8, 5/16, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 5/8 again, 3/4, 3/4 again, and 7/8. I do like that it comes in these cases. Like the case pretty much. A little bulky, like a little big, but it'll do. Might have room in my toolbox for it. If not, I'll try and make some room. But anyway, give a little close-up on these. This is the 19 and 21 millimeter. Very good job with the chrome. Really no fuck-ups like some other wrenches have, like with the chrome peeling off. It's good. Like that its sizes are on both sides. Then the stamps on the individual piece. So if you needed to order one, you can order it there with that part number. But yeah, so far so good. Didn't have any line wrenches, so I figured, or flare nut wrenches, so I figured I'd get some. And with the Gearwrench, I believe it is lifetime warranty. Let's see. Yep, lifetime warranty. So you could contact Gearwrench or any store that sells Gearwrench tools near you, and get a replacement for it. So, hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.